Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to show you what is the initial RAM and storage availability in the Realme Pad mini device after the quick unboxing. Yes friends, this is my first time and first day of using the Realme Pad mini, and right now I'm going to show you exactly what is the RAM and storage availability out of the box in this device. And the model which I ordered is the 4GB and 64GB RAM version exactly, and which is a 4G LTE as well. And this is exactly the details of my model. You can clearly see, so 4GB. Let me go back, 4GB and 64GB variant as well, as you can see friends clearly. And out of 64GB, we'll try to see what is the storage available right now. And out of 64GB, 10.67GB is used exactly right now. As you can clearly see friends, 17% is used. And rest is available right now for the storage out of 64GB. And in terms of the RAM, let's see RAM availability, how much it will be there in this device. Let's go to the settings and show you the memory options. Right now, out of 4GB RAM, storage availability is about 1.9GB is used, and free RAM is 1.9GB, and total memory is 3.7GB, as you can see, and average used is 51% is right now, exactly at this moment, as you can see friends clearly. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick RAM and storage availability in the Realme Pad mini after the quick unboxing on the day one of usage. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay with more updates and bye.